Okay, here is a Rheem, what's it called? Yeah, Rheem. It's from 2013, and it's a 2-ton. Didn't really see that. Here's the disconnect. Sorry, okay, this is the same place as that Rheem. We got a Payne, it looks like, which is from 2008. It's a 2.5 ton. Lennox, which is looks like a 2.5 ton from 1995. And another X right here. It looks like I see a couple more of those bushes. I guess that Rheem probably replaced. That was a Trane out there too. One of these Lennoxes. It's the same, 1995. There's a new Trane right here. 2015. It's a 2.5 ton. And then just shut off. Some more Paynes. Looks like a Gibson or it's a Philco. I'll get the data on this Philco right here. It's a 2.5 ton from 2007 it looks like, or 2008. Sure, alright. And then, yeah, I can get the data on all these. Alright. So we're now